New research from Mars reveals that pet owners in the USA prefer to spend time with their pets rather than their partners when they're stressed out.
Yes, and to tell us more about this and discuss how our pets can help us with our mental health and well-being is human-animal interaction expert Dr. Tammy King. Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Thank
Doing
you so
well.
much
Thanks
for
for joining
joining
us.
us. So we know
My
that
pleasure.
Mars has teamed up with Calm to celebrate the bond that we have with our pets. What can you tell us about this?
Yeah, absolutely. So Mars we're a global leader in pet healthcare and nutrition, and what we've done is join forces with Calm, who are a leading mental health company, to really celebrate the ways in which pets support our well-being. And so what we've done together is actually conduct a global survey. We surveyed over 30,000 people around the world in over 20 countries, and overwhelmingly, we heard from people that pets positively impact their mental well-being. Over 80% of people actually said that their pets support them. And as you highlighted, sometimes when they're feeling stressed, they will turn to their pets more so than their spouses, their children, their partners, their family members. So I think that's further testament to the bond that we have with pets around the world.
Yeah,
Totally
guilty.
agree.
I mean,
Yes.
you're talking to
Yes.
pet owners here. Mac has a dog. I've got a couple of cats. So obviously, you know, those things help us with our stress,
Totally.
I feel. But how are pets guiding us to live better and healthier lives?
Yeah, I think in a number of ways, and I think actually pets are doing this often and it's unrecognized. So this can be through daily routines that we have with our pets. For instance, just the simple nature of feeding the pet, getting up, walking the pet, grooming your pet. Those sorts of things take us away from the sort of mundane, sometimes stressful situations in life. Getting outdoors, meeting people. Pets act as a social facilitator. My dog certainly out in the park, I start talking to people that I wouldn't necessarily talk to had I been on my own. And I think pets are also providing this sense of calm after a busy day, coming and sitting on the sofa, stroking your cat, playing with your dog. People are telling us that pets are supporting them in a myriad of ways.
Yeah,
I
certainly.
totally relate.
100%.
In your own words, how important is that relationship we have with our pets, and how does that campaign aim to kind of celebrate that special human-animal bond?
Absolutely, it's really important. I think pets provide this acceptance. They're non-judgmental, right? They don't talk back to you. And together, Mars and Calm are creating this first of its kind, bespoke pet-inspired content that's freely available on Calm. And this will include meditations involving like pets sleep stories, breathing exercises, and so we're really pleased to be able to come together to further celebrate this human pet relationship and the value that pets are providing us in supporting our everyday well-being.
Yeah. Let's talk a little bit more about the My Pet Guru search that Mars and Calm are undertaking.
Yeah, that's another thing that we're really excited to share. So we've conducted this large scale survey together. People are telling us how great pets are for them, that we want to hear from more people about how their pet inspires them, how their pet supports them in day to day, bringing well being to their life. And by filling out a really short quiz, 5 questions to get your pet's unique well being personality. I've done it with my dog. He is a friendly tail. He's the type of dog that will go and talk to anyone. And we want to hear from you. So if you could go to kinship.com/pets and wellbeing, you'll be able to fill out the quiz, have access to all the amazing content, pet inspired content, and share with us how your pets are supporting your wellbeing on a daily basis.
I love that.
Oh
I'm going to
my
do that
goodness.
today.
Me too.
Yeah,
I
fun.
can't wait.
Yeah.
Dr. Kimmy, thank you so much for joining
Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's great.
Yeah,
I mean-
mine would be Ollie is a sassy, unfriendly twit.
Just in 5 words or less, and that's it.
Yes, and
Yeah.
stinky.
And stinky. Got to
Yeah.
add that in there.